So here we have the Volkswagen Golf automatic on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. In the middle of that, we'll show you what gear we're currently in. And on the right-hand side, the speedometer, in the middle of which we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Just below that section, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 6,221. You can change the information displayed on the left, in the center, and on the right-hand side by using buttons on the steering wheel. So for example, over on that left-hand side, you can have any of these pieces of information you want. So for example, if you want the fuel gauge over there, you can do. Over on the right-hand side, similar thing, you could have the time, for example, and then you could decide that you want the digital readout for the speedometer in the center. All of that is done using these buttons just here. We also have voice activation for your phone, stereo controls, which continue on the left, cruise control. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button if you wish to. In doing so, this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front. It will both speed up and slow down depending on the car in front's speed. We've done a video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. You'll also find a video there of the satellite navigation and how that works. This button will take you back to your home screen. You've got a choice of home screens on this car, depending on which one you find the most useful. You can access pretty much the same information from all of them. So you can pair your phone, you can access your music, which in this car gives you FM and DAB radio, as well as internet radio. Essentially through DAB, you'll be able to get AM stations anyway. And then media is where you can listen to your own music. There's loads of ways you can do that, and they include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls, should you wish to. You can adjust the passenger temperature and driver temperature from here. You can increase and decrease the volume of the stereo as well. If we back out slightly, you can get an entire climate control menu available up here, where you can turn the air conditioning on and off. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, everything can be done from up there. We've also got a button for assist systems and one for the rear parking camera. Putting the vehicle in reverse will automatically turn the camera on, or just press that button. Under that, we have two USB-C inputs, wireless charging for your phone just here. And then this button starts and stops the engine. This one puts the car into park. We then have reverse, neutral and drive on here, with an electronic handbrake and auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.